got the noodles. My mum came up and she gave me some noodles. So noodles, chili, peppers, chicken, onions, some kind of sauce, which I'm guessing is sweet chili. Don't know. Anyway, I'm going to add, obviously, I'm going to put some of this in. So she came up this morning because she hasn't got Netflix, and I'm just going to put a bit of chili in. How much? That much? Is that a lot? Nah. Nah, well, it's now in it. Mix that round. Anyway, she came up and we watched the Peaky Blinders film. If you haven't watched it and you've watched the seasons, watch it, okay? And I'll tell you something for nothing, right? Tommy Shelby, not the actual person himself, like the actor. Tommy Shelby, the character. Oh my God, the things he could do. That's all I'm saying. I'm leaving it there. All right, you come at me with that flipping coat. All right, walking like this with your sexy ass. I can't deal. I need to stop. It's getting me too much. Not that. Where? You know. Anywho, if you haven't watched it, watch it. Mayonnaise, a bit of sweet chili. I'm not really sure why. This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. Who does that? Oh, what's her name? Damn it. She's really good. She's funny. I like her. Anyway, and then some jalapenos. Anyway, so if you haven't watched it, watch it, okay? Because that is something. It's, oh my God. Anywho, I need to get over that. Anyway, jalapenos. Also, I love doing that now. That's so nice. You know how some people are like, oh, what do you have on your face? I don't tend to do a lot of TikTok shop on here because I don't really want to be like full on TikTok. I know I do the odd things, but like I try not to do loads. Do you know what I mean? Anyway, I've done like a skincare makeup routine on there. So if you want to check that out and you want more TikTok shop, not just food, I'll link it in this video so you can have a look and then you can check it out. That's what I'm using at the moment. Oh, that is one fucking spicy meatball. No, seriously, that's that fucking... I forgot my mum made it spicy anyway. I think that's better than my insides. It's fine. We'll carry on. There's no point stopping now. Guys, what have you had for dinner today? And if you haven't had anything, have something. Something's better than nothing. So I made me and mum breakfast. And I did the sourdough. Sourdough with the, tomatoes and that. She brought me up some wraps. I'll show you. Never had them before. They're brioche ones. So sweet, right? I'll tell you what, this is, I don't know what it is with these noodles, but it's one of my favourite things. Also, I had a delivery today. I think it might be the Cocoa Bean Company Easter egg. I haven't opened it yet, but I know they were sending me a little treat. And that is so nice if it is that. That just chocolate and it's insane anyway. I mean, unless they've changed it from last time I had it. God. I don't know if I needed this much, but you know. Also, don't worry about what's going on with my hair. I washed it. Oh, that's spicy at the bottom. Right, anyway, guys. I'm going to love you and leave you. And, oh, fucking helly. Whew! I've got a bit of a kick. Anyway, have a good evening.